What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And again, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mehul. We do some pretty cool car stuff. If you guys, and that is my dog trying to come into you. Hey Ziggy. If you guys haven't seen our little Foover, look at him. He just wants to say hi. But yeah, so that's our dog Ziggy. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, again, my name is Mehul. We do some pretty cool car stuff. And again, if not, welcome. In today's video, we're actually not going to be doing some car stuff, we're actually going to be doing something else. If you guys don't know, me and my fiance, again, have two new dirt bikes. This is 2023 Honda CRFs, the 125 big wheels. We want something simple, something just play around. Again, just some off-road toys to go along with the Jeep. We're going to start doing a little bit more content. I know I haven't done content for you guys in a while. It's mainly because I've been sick, we've been doing stuff for the housework. As you guys can probably see in the back, like, oh, we've been decorating the house. So I've just been taking a lot of time away from everything. But again, I'm so sorry. We're definitely gonna be creating a lot more content. And actually, we're gonna start doing some podcasts as well. So the new podcast is gonna be on this channel. It's just gonna be on the podcast tab. It's gonna be linked down below. So definitely please check that out. It's gonna be fun. The podcast, the whole thing I wanna talk about is like life and cars and like talk about everything that's going on, future projects, builds, what we're working on, and kind of just like interview a couple of my friends and other people in the races, all that stuff, and so much more in this podcast. So let's just see. But as of right now, we're gonna be doing the oil change on the dirt bike. So let's get to it. Hey bud, why don't you say hi? Say hi to all the people. They love you. Yeah? You wanna go see those dirt bikes? You wanna go see the dirt bikes? Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. The reason why we haven't been creating a lot of video for you guys is because we're in Dallas and it's brutally hot and it's humid, and we've just been doing a lot of stuff for the house. And again, if you guys haven't seen our big bright yellow Jeep, here it is, still good and needs a bath, but it's not that bad. But again, so these are our Honda CRS 125 big wheels, and these are amazing. These are actually really fun. I need to pressure wash this a little bit. I got a little bit muddy whenever I take it out. Take it out with my neighbors and a couple of friends. But need to pressure wash this really quick so that we can do the oil change. So again, so this one's mine, the dirty one, and that's also this is my fiance's, the clean one. She rides a lot, surprisingly, and she's actually pretty good at it. She's actually learned how to drive stick through the dirt bikes, which is pretty amazing. And it's a cool little hobby we both have, and taking around and driving it. So if you guys want to see something epic with the dirt bikes, comment below. I have a few ideas and I really can't wait to show you guys. So, but first and foremost, we're gonna pressure wash the bikes, get it prepped for oil change, and get it done. Probably later on in the next video, we'll probably do a little house tour, show you guys what we've been working on, stuff like that for the house. There's a lot coming still that we've ordered. And then, so comment again, so today's video, put it in the comments, dirt bike, and basically let us know what you guys want to see. And you have my beautiful fiance right here in the back. She's gonna be helping out, and she is, of course, riding the dirt bike. Alright, so we got our draft tools pressure washer. If you guys haven't seen that, that is gonna be listed in my shorts playlist, so go ahead, check that out, because this wall pressure washer, a wall mount pressure washer, badass. And so this is our dirt bike. Again, this is one of the two. And I don't know if you guys can see it. It's got some mud. I just want to clean it up by the oil pan, so I want to make sure any dirt goes in that. It's a beautiful day actually today. It's been raining, so it's probably the best day this whole year or this month. It's like brutally hot and humid. Like, don't mind me sweating because it's just hot and I sweat. We're human. But yeah, so let's just get to it. so we got that bike pressure washed, cleaned up, and then the bikes are identical. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do the oil change. It's very easy, very simple. We picked up the oil from Honda. I'm using synthetic oil. You guys can use conventional oil as well, but it's a Honda, so I just might as well just use the synthetic. I always use synthetic on almost everything. But we're gonna let the bike idle for a little bit, for like about a minute or two, just to let the oil warm up a little bit, so that way it just flows easier. With this bike, there's no there's no oil filter, so it's literally just a drain bolt, and then you just fill it back up. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this idle for about a minute, and then we'll catch you guys in a second. Alright, so now since we got the bike all warmed up, here's on the right side of the bike. So over here, underneath the skid plate, there is gonna be a drain bolt right there. It's gonna be 17 millimeter from there, and then this is gonna be where we're gonna be filling our oil. So you just unscrew it and it'll come out. So this is where we're gonna be filling our oil. So with this, you're just going to drain about a quart, and you're gonna fill a quart back up. And that's pretty much it with this dirt bike. What do you hear? I hear the ice cream truck.
Look at all the kids.
I know, all the kids are literally running towards it. Who turned? She's leaving us, guys. So we got our 17 millimeter socket. We're just going to loosen this up. Again, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then once I loosen it up, I'm just going to unscrew this. Let's see if we can get this out without oil on our fingers. Alright. So again, this is a break-in oil, which is one of the main reasons why I wanted to replace this. So again, with this, you want to make sure there is a crush washer. We always suggest to replace every single crush washer every time you do any sort of thing. So again, we have our bolts, and again, this is, I believe, you gotta double check the torque specs, but I think it is like 15 foot-pounds. And then I have replacement crush washers, so we're gonna replace a new crush washer. We're just gonna let this baby drain, and then I have this loosened out so that way air kind of just flows down through gravity. And then once it's done draining, we're just going to bolt this baby back in and then fill it up with oil. Alright, so now the oil has finished draining. We have new crush washers. I picked it from Honda itself. Again, these are just a couple of cents, and I believe this is like $7, $8. Again, I'm using the synthetic oil, the HP4S through Honda, 10W30, and then so basically, now it's done. It's about 12 foot-pounds of torque. I'm gonna clean up this bolt a little bit. And then, I'm just gonna put this new crush washer back on, and we're just gonna go plug, and we're just gonna plug it up. So this is going to be about 12 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, so my torque range only goes to 12.5 as the lowest, so basically that's what we're going to torque it down to. I'm just going to put that on there. If I can get it, okay. Oh, nope, that's left. And that's it. It's going to take off our drain plug, or our fill plug. I'm going to put this new funnel in. I'm gonna crack open this beautiful, beautiful Honda Fresh synthetic oil. Don't do that. And sorry for my sweatiness. So again, this is gonna take a full quart. You're just gonna slowly let it drink, fill up. We're giving it that good sauce. Comment below, put in the comments sauce if you guys are sticking around this far in the video. It's probably one of the easiest oil changes I've ever done on almost anything. Once that's done, Kind of clean this up a little bit and screw that bad boy back on. We're gonna get that nice and tight. Cool, and that's it. All right, so now once the oil is filled, it's all torqued up to spec, and that's basically it for this video. And again, you're just gonna turn this baby on, and just gonna let it run. Let it start go out, let it warm up. Alright, so now this bike is done. I'm gonna go and start on my bike and then go ahead and get that drained and filled. And then that's gonna be basically it, the wrap for this video. And again, I know this is a really quick, small video, but again, keep an eye out for the podcast. Check out my Instagram, it's gonna be listed right down below in the description. Check out my fiance's Instagram as well, and our dog's Instagram as well. He's been blowing up too. So check all that stuff out. We're starting the podcast in the first couple episodes, just to kind of see how it is. And again, don't roast me on it. Just like put some comments, let me know where I can improve. The podcast stuff is gonna be a little bit new. And again, that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned a little bit about the dirt bikes. If you guys want to see anything epic with the dirt bikes, comment below dirt bikes and comment below, what was the other word? What was the other one? Dang, I forgot. But it's okay.
I don't know. Sauce?
Sauce, yeah. Comment below sauce. And then let us know what you guys want to see with the dirt bikes. We're thinking about taking the dirt bikes with the Jeep out to the trails just to create some content for you guys, along with a little surprise that we're going to be taking with us. So, again, that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the subscribe button, like the videos. And remember guys, live your dreams, and we'll catch you guys next video. See you guys.